Hi guys, Mac here. Just a quick follow-up video to that recent one that I did about the Mac Mini. I've had several questions about the fan noise and also one or two about the thermal throttling of these i7 machines. Now, the fan noise is quite hard for me to show, but I'm going to give it a go. I've got a camera set up and focused on the Mac Mini. It's currently on my desk, and I have to say the fan noise hasn't really bothered me. Now, what I'm going to do is ramp it up, we'll get it doing some things, and we'll see if we can measure what the fan noise is like. So you'll be able to see this machine is currently doing quite a few things anyway. I've got several virtual machines running for a lab that I'm working on at the moment. But what I'm going to do to actually stress this machine, I'm going to convert a video in Handbrake in Mac OS, which is this one. It's just one of my YouTube videos. And what I have is also it's running in a Windows 10 machine. So I'm going to run Handbrake into different machines. Now don't worry about the performance of them, that's not really what I'm testing. What I'm going to be doing is just kind of flatlining the processor. We can have a look at the throttling that's happening from the Intel power gadget on the right there, and I'll also give a good go to see if I can record any other fan noise. So let's kick those off and we'll see what it looks like, or rather what it sounds like. Okay, they're running pretty much flat out. If we have a look at activity monitor, there you go, you see the CPUs are pretty much flatlined. I can hear the fans going now, so let me see if I can record it for you. As you can tell, it's fairly hard to record, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move the main microphone right next to it. So that's about as close as I can get it, and as I've said, the fan noise isn't that intrusive. I mean, I can certainly hear it, but it's not enough to bother me. Now if we look at the Intel power gadget, you'll see that it is thermally throttling back to 3.4 gigahertz ish, which is kind of what you'd expect under this kind of load, to be honest. I don't find the thermal throttling as intrusive as I do on my i9 Macbook Pro, for example. Anyway, I'm not quite sure what that's going to have told you, because like I say, it's actually quite hard to record the fan noise in any measurable way, but yeah, you asked for it and I thought I'd see if I could deliver it.